Hello and welcome back guys. In this video we are going to set up our project and quickly go over the project structure. What you want to do is go to the project link given in the description below, and if you are familiar with Git you can clone the project directly and check out the start branch. Otherwise you can simply go to the start branch like so and download it as zip. Once you have downloaded the project, extract it somewhere and open it in your favorite editor. Now you'll need Node to run this project, but don't worry, this project doesn't require any knowledge about Node. We're just using Webpack, which is a bundler, and that requires Node. Once you have Node installed, you will want to open up a terminal and go to the projects directory and run this npm install to install the dependencies. Now it might take a while to install the dependencies depending on your internet connection. Once it's done, you can run this npm run dev and spin up a local server. And if you go to this localhost 8080 in your browser, you'll get this kind of boilerplate ready. Now, let's quickly go over the base setup. First, let's have a look inside the webpack.config.js file. Now, it is not necessary for you to look too deeply into this file or have any prior knowledge of Webpack or understand everything about this file that I'm saying. It is not what we are working on in this project. Webpack is just a JavaScript bundler. What it means is that it combines all JavaScript files into a single file or multiple files depending on the configuration. With our configuration, we are just bundling all JavaScript files into a single file. Along with that, we are transpiling modern JavaScript code into older browser compatible ES5 code as well. Additionally, we have also added a rule for CSS files. Using that, we can import a CSS file into a JavaScript file and the CSS will be applied. Again, you don't need to understand everything that I said. This is just to inform you that because of this setup, we can create a modular project and use newer JavaScript features that are not even supported in modern browsers. If you have used Create React app before, it creates a similar setup for its project as well. With that being said, let's quickly look into the other files as well. We have this index.html file. This is just the basic boilerplate setup. First, it has the heading. Then we have the main area where we'll programmatically add the sudoku table. And finally, we have these controls, the speed input, the array input, and the buttons. We have these two styles which are imported directly into the index.js file, and we are able to do so because of our setup. Finally, we have another file that we are not using right now, but we'll use it in the future. Alright, so that is it about our basic setup. In the next video, we are going to start coding and add some common libraries and utils. And I hope to see you guys then. Bye.